G'day, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Toyota Camry Sportivo, stock reference number 4783. This shape runs from the 6th month 2006 through to the 11th month 2011. It has a 2AZ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. AZ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. We have the bonnet, which has 3 small dents, radiator grille, front bumper cover, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 1 small dent, left rear door has 2 small dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door 2 small dents, right hand sill skirt. Right front door has multiple small dents. Right power door mirror. Right guard has 1 small dent. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Black vinyl center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio buttons. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.